packed up. I got my lashes done over the weekend. Did my nails and all of the other stuff yesterday. So I got that out the way. I am ready for this flight. I know, Tasha, dang, you ain't post a vlog in a minute. I know. What have I been up to? But now I'm here, I'm back, and I'm really excited to go on this trip. I put my suitcase in the bag. I want to wear some socks because I don't want to wear my slides with my bare feet out in the airport and go to TSA and have to take my stuff off and be barefoot. I'll see you guys at the airport, so peace out. View, and I love it. It's the promenade right down there. I'm going to hit the promenade really soon, get a bite to eat, but I'm in love with this view. So this is day 2. Technically day 1 because we got here like late last night, but we're gonna walk around the promenade a little bit, just exploring that. This is my look of the day. A little something small, something light. From head to toe, it's Shein, except for the bag, it's Target, hat Shein, shade Shein, and this 2-piece short set is from Shein as well. So ready to hit the strip, hit the promenade, and I'm going to take you guys with us. Let's go. Hey, what's up, y'all? I just got done installing this wig. Let me know if you're feeling it in the comment section. It is nighttime. Just spent a lot of time resting today because I got up pretty early yesterday and did a lot. And then I'll see where else the night takes us. Let's go. Morning coffee run. Let's get it. So you know I was not going to miss the Doctor Strange premiere at all. So of course I had to find the nearest theater to catch this drone. So we made it here to the Brendan Theaters at the Palms. I've got my popcorn here and and my drink. So we about to go and see the new Doctor Strange movie before we turn up later on. Okay. We reached our last day in Vegas. I was sad to go, but I finally got a chance to try a Japarito, which was so good. And I wish there was more I could fit in this vlog, but really I had to put my phone down to experience all the fun. Hope you liked it. See you soon.